Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Nicole and she writes, Dear Miss Planet, my fiance and I are getting married this year. Our colors are blue, white, and a touch of gold. I really would like to add sunflowers to our decor and to my bridal bouquet. I would also like it to be a cascading bouquet. I called around to some florists to get some research and have been told by the florist that I probably want to use fake flowers for our vision because of the size and the thickness of the sunflowers. Can you please help? Thank you so much, Nicole. Well, Nicole, I'm not only going to help you, I'm going to show you how you can do this bouquet at a very economic price. I am so excited. I haven't used sunflowers, I don't think ever. So I'm excited just as much as you are to see how it's going to turn out. So with that being said, let's get to it. This week's episode, Sunflower Cascading Bridal Bouquet. All right, guys, let's get to it. So this is a little tip for my international community members. I know it's very hard to find styrofoam balls. I don't know why. It blows my mind every time. But if you cannot find a styrofoam half ball, you can always take a hole and cut it in half. It's very important that you use styrofoam and not the smooth, I think it's called polyfoam. That does not work very well. So once you've cut your styrofoam ball in half, go ahead and score the center of it where the straight handle can fit directly into the styrofoam ball. And then you're going to simply use a kitchen spoon and basically scoop out the center until you have a nice section to where your bridal straight handle can fit directly inside of the styrofoam. And you're going to attach it with hot glue. It seems like a lot of work, but it really isn't. It goes pretty quickly. You can absolutely do this, and we just have to adjust and make things work. So the key to creating a cascading bouquet is to use stems at different lengths. So you're going to go longer at the front of your bouquet or the bottom, depending on how you're looking at it. And then you work your way up to shorter pieces to create that cascade. You can do this. I use stems anywhere from 4 inches to as long as 16 inches. It's really your preference. So just play with it before you attach a little hot glue to the ends of those stems and place them permanently. For the sunflowers, I also use stems anywhere from 8 inches long to about 2 to 4 inches long. So again, it's your preference. Play around with it before you attach the hot glue to the ends of the stems and permanently attach it to your styrofoam. Well, Nicole, how did we do? I hope you love it. I'm kind of blown away and I'm like, I need to use sunflowers more often. So I hope you love it as much as I do. I mean, it's like a breath of fresh air. I absolutely love it. Well, guys, if you love the video, why don't you go ahead and like us and subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. In addition to that, we would love for you to send a comment or ask a question. I answer them myself. I know I haven't been answering comments lately, but I promise you, I actually have it on my schedule now. They've worked out some time for me to do it. And I'm so excited to get back to talking to you guys and just, hanging out. In addition to that, if you would like to continue to follow us, you can follow us on our social media. And that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, I don't know what you're waiting for. Things are starting to open back up. People are starting to be able to make plans again. I absolutely love it. And this is the perfect time to get that extra savings from Rakuten. It's very simple. Go down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. So get that extra savings, guys. Absolutely don't miss out on this. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It goes by so fast. I want to thank all of you for subscribing and watching. This has just been a wonderful experience for me, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to share my gifts and talents with you guys, because that's the whole reason why I have them. If you have questions, don't forget to put them in the comment section. I will get to them, and if I don't get to them, trust me, one of our wonderful community members will help you out. In addition to that, don't forget to head on over to our website, missplanet.com. You can click on that little arrow right there in the corner. It'll take you right there for more DIY with the written and picture instructions. There's just so much blog, just cost-saving tips, just so much that I can't share on our weekly video. So head on over to our website, missplanet.com, and get that. In addition to that, don't forget to check out our Pinterest page. It is filled with wonderful, wonderful ideas. I don't want you to miss out on that. And if there's a project or a vision we can help you with, be sure to go to our website, missplanet.com, click on the project request tab, follow the very simple steps, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. I just ask that you do it sooner than later, because our production schedule is already filled for the next 6 months. So if you want to get a project done this year, you have a special event coming up, get those requests in sooner than later. All right, guys. Well, it's been a pleasure, and I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me this week. Always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. God bless.